Okay, so this is my video review for the Duet sound machine by Yogasleep, and it looks like this. I don't know if you're familiar with Google Home smart speakers, but this actually looks just like a smaller version of a Google Home. Exactly, really just like a Google Home smart speaker, which I like. That's what drew it to me in the first place. I love that shape, and it's kind of clean and contemporary looking, but cute at the same time. And that's what drew me to this. Now, it does have a night light, and that's this right here. Just push that button. Now, it doesn't change colors at all. This is the one color that it is, but I like it. It's not too bright, not too dark. It's soothing if you need a light at night. Now, just use that button to turn it off. You also have a Bluetooth button here because this is a Bluetooth speaker. You can connect an exterior device like your phone or tablet to it and play your music through this speaker. And it is a very good quality speaker. If you like kind of like a bass, this is bass heavy speaker. I like that kind of, that deepness that it has to it. And here are your two volume control buttons. That's the decrease volume button and the increase volume button. And then this is your timer button. And you have 45, 90, and 8-hour timers. That is your Bluetooth indicator right there. Now, let me turn it on and play these sounds for you. These sounds here, this is an indicator. This is more like the fan sounds and colored noise sounds like brown noise and white noise, and this here is the more natural sounds like rainstorms and streams and oceans, and then this one is lullabies and also meditation music. So let me go ahead and demonstrate these for you. use an AC power adapter, cable, USB cable to AC adapter to power. So you will need a plug always to use this. It's not rechargeable and it does not run on batteries. But overall, I absolutely love it. The quality is fantastic. The sounds are great. The speaker quality is excellent. This is probably my favorite sound machine now, and I have reviewed a lot of them. But I think this may be my new favorite and will probably be the one that I start using now. But that is it. This has been my video review for the Yogasleep Duet. I hope my review has been very helpful. Thank you and have a good day.
Hi everybody, this is a Yogasleep white noise machine and wireless speaker. Comes with the manual, a power cable, plug this end into the machine, this into an outlet, and you have the unit itself that I measure to be 4.5 inches tall with the widest circumference of 10.75 inches. Here you have the buttons to control the unit, on-off button to turn on the lights, for the timer, your volume button, turn up the volume, turn down the volume, the wireless button, and your various sounds. Each button that I press for the sound will give a different sound, up to when I hear a ding, and that means I've gone to the end of those sounds for that particular button. More on that in a couple of minutes. Let's see this in action. Plug it in. Excuse me for a minute while I put this into the outlet. Alrighty, now we're ready to go to turn on the machine. There you go. Let's see how loud this machine can produce in terms of the volume. So that was the loudest volume. And at that level, I can barely hear the sound. For the lights, press that button, and there's your light. So let's get a sampling of the various sounds that come with each of these buttons, starting with this one. So those are all the sounds for that particular button. Let's go on to the next one. So those are the sounds for that button. Let's go on to the last button. So there you have the various sounds from each of these three sound buttons. I hope this gives you a good idea of how this works, and I was able to pair this with my Bluetooth device so I can use this as a wireless speaker to play my music. So works very nicely. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day. Bye.
I got this duet machine. It didn't come with YouTube.
Barbie, Beach Buggy, Cotton Candy playset, and dolls, each sold separately.
Something otherwise, put it.
Them bones, them, dancing bones, them bones, them, dancing bones, them bones, them, dancing bones, doing the skeleton dance.
It comes like the buttons too, but whoops, this is not double. This is like hardcore with sound machine, almost. I don't know what to say, guys. This is duet machine.
The hip bone's connected to the backbone. The backbone's connected to the
This is Bluetooth. My tablet is connected to Bluetooth right now. So it's
hands to the left.
let's pause this.
There's like a hissing too. Let's try this one.
One of my favorite things is this Yogasleep sound machine, and we love it so much that we have one in our room, our kids' room, and we have a portable one for when we're out and about. I feel like it's just so nice to have a sound machine that's consistent for our kids, because when they hear their white noise, then it's like, okay, they can feel like they can wind down and what have you. This one has a nightlight also, which is great, and so many different functions. To say that this has saved us so many times and would be an understatement. We love this.